Did you know that right now in 2025, AI can literally build a business for you from scratch? Yes, without hiring staff, renting an office, or even having big startup capital. ChatGPT-5 is like having a business partner who never sleeps, who never sits, who never slumber, who never forgets, but always planning and always focused. Let me know if you want to know how. But right now, I'm going to show you exactly how, even if you don't ask me. If you've been thinking about starting an online business, but you don't know where to begin, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll see practical ways ChatGPT-5 can set you up a business that no one can set. It can create your content and even help you to find customers, all with just your smartphone at the comfort of your home or at the comfort of your hotel room, at work, anywhere you are. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady who says they cannot hold a smartphone and beg for bread. In today's video, I'll be showing you how ChatGPT-5 can literally make for you a powerful business all alone, without any consultation, without anything apart aside as third party. For you, my new subscribers, I love you so much. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video. Just have a seat, sit here, learn, and make these points practical, please, by practicing them. And my special engagers, I love you so much. Thank you, beautiful girls and gentlemen. I'm there because you're here. Let's dive in and see. But before I do this, this is a disclaimer. I'm not a financial controller. I'm not a financial guru. This is for education purposes. So I've used some of these things. So this is the disclaimer, you guys. So wherever you are, this is for education purposes. You can go ahead and learn, research about it. Then if you feel you want to put it in action, you can put it there. Let's see how this can do it, or how it can be done. One, ChatGPT-5 can give you great business ideas. First, ChatGPT can generate profitable business ideas based on trends. Which trends? Let's see. For example, you can go direct to ChatGPT-5 and ask what is the best online business to start with without any investment or with zero capital in this 2025. It will suggest for you things like affiliate marketing, selling digital products, starting a YouTube channel. No need to guess here. You get to research, you'll get to go pick what you need there, your interest is, and start researching about it. Even you can go ahead and ask it to research for you instantly. Then the second way is it can also do branding and setup for you. Once you pick a business idea, ChatGPT can create you a brand identity. Imagine this. You want to start selling ebooks. ChatGPT can give you a business name. It can give you a design logo ideas. It writes for you your bio and even create a step-by-step launch plan. Something that you used to take months, weeks, even some people can take years like me to do this whole of this ebook. But for it will do it in minutes. So just go to it and be familiar and friends to ChatGPT-5. Then a third way is content creation with ChatGPT-5. Content is a king, you know that right now, right? Well, with ChatGPT, it can write you blog posts, it can give you video scripts, it can give you social media captions, and even it can design email newsletters. For example, if you want to start a fitness coaching business, just tell it your niche, and it can create an entire month worth of Instagram posts with captions and hashtags, all ready to post. You don't need anything to do. Then, if we go to another stage 4, it can also market and even get for you customers. What about customers after all these businesses? ChatGPT can help you reach your target audience. Let's say you're starting a business of online store. Just ask if it can create for you Facebook ad, and even SEO-friendly website descriptions. It will immediately go and suggest key searchable words that get you products ranked highly on Google and YouTube. Now, do you know you cannot do any business now in this era without automation? This best part here, it sweetens me. You can automate everything. ChatGPT-5 connects with tools that can schedule posts and emails to your subscribers. It can handle customer queries. This means that your business can be run while you're sleeping. This is what every business person would love to have. Now that you've known, can you go ahead? Can we practice this? Let's go together and practice this and we'll see how it will look like. So the truth is, there is no excuse, you guys. Not anymore. With ChatGPT, you don't need to be expert. You don't need to have big capital, and you don't need to have maybe to be there and wait for years to start. AI can literally help you to build a business from your phone. You guys, this is just a short video, as I told you, but if you wanted detailed information about all this, about one of the points that I've put here, put it in the comment section. I'll make you go through. And if you found this video helpful, please, I want you to go direct to like it. You can go subscribe. You can even put a notification bell for you to be notified when we come live. Don't forget to subscribe, to share with your friends. Most people don't know that ChatGPT-5 is one of the best partner now that every person should have. Please don't forget to subscribe, because every day we are bringing 3 videos now, every day basis, on the practical ways to earn money online. And please, your comments, your suggestions, they mean a lot to us. You can even go ahead and put for us in the comment section, which topic do you want to listen to, especially if it deals with making money online, on social media platforms, on apps. There's one topic maybe you've tried and it has failed you. If we can, we are not giving you a guarantee, but if we can, we bring for you a step-by-step tutorial. So go to the comment section and write it there. And before I end, I would love to ask you, which of businesses would you want ChatGPT to build for you? Because at the end of it, we really see that ChatGPT is a pro in building our businesses. So which business do you have in mind and you have never done, but now you're here, you're like, no, let me do it with ChatGPT? Which one do you want? Run to the comment section, put it for us. Let's do it together. Bye-bye.